Have you ever heard a hiccup that made you burst into laughter? Join us at the hilarious Hiccup Hootenanny, where kids compete to create the funniest hiccup sounds imaginable. From honking to giggling, every unique hiccup fuels laughter, leaving the audience in stitches. As the competition heats up, participants resort to wacky techniques like sipping through a straw upside down or jumping with one foot in the air. The grand finale features an unpredictable hiccup symphony, causing even the judges to giggle uncontrollably. In this riotous escapade, friendships are strengthened by shared joy and hiccup-induced hilarity. If this funny tale made you smile, show some love by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing.